Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I've got one of two new limited edition beauty boxes from Cult Beauty, and I've got the RSVP-Ready edit. Cute little box. This one costs £42, has a value of £165 and contains 10 products. There's also the Sunny Escapes edit that costs £45 and has a value of £130. They're both very much makeup heavy, so if that is your thing, then yeah. I'll pop a link to the page where you can see both of them down below in my description, and if there's any discount codes lying around, then you'll see them down there as well. I do have my own personal discount code, which is CBXBeautyGeek, and that will entitle you up to 20% off site-wide. Some exclusions, but sometimes it works on beauty boxes, sometimes it doesn't, and it didn't work this time, unfortunately. But if I can find any other codes lying around, then yeah, I'll pop it down there. And you'll see all my other discount codes and offers as well down there. So yeah, so let's get into showing you what's inside then. I can't remember now why I wanted to go for this one in particular. There's bound to be a product that I fancied more, isn't it? Cute little box though, I like these. Oh yeah, look. Right then, let's start off with a powder I'm wearing today. This is by Terry, and this is Hydra powder, and you can buy them this little size, a little mini one. So it's a hyaluronic translucent powder. It's really nice. It leaves your skin super soft. I only did a tiny bit, but it sets on makeup really nicely. I tend to only use it underneath my eyes and across my nose where I've got large pores. But yeah, it's the perfect size. Oh no, I've just put my nail into it. It's the perfect size, like to take away, to go put it in your handbag on a night out or whatever. I really like it. Plus you've got a little powder puff there. So yeah, a nice little powder, which I've been using for a long time. Then we've got some lashes. Now these are going to be hit and miss. I'm a lash wearer. No Lash-Lash, the Signature by Sweed. These refined, delicate cluster lashes come in different lengths to achieve the natural, defined lash look. I love little corner lashes. These are going to be really nice. Hopefully you can see there. So what I would do is I would cut them to about, say that's a corner. I'd cut them to about there, chip the ends off the corner there, just that they blend into my natural lashes. But yeah, it's literally just on the outer corner, just create like a cat eye effect. No, I'm wrong. No, they're not all stuck together. They're all individuals. All individuals. Now that's going to be a bit of a pain. I've changed my mind. That's a bit of a pain, isn't it? I only need two of the larger ones and I could get a corner. But yeah, never mind. I will try them. Then we've got Benefit. This is 24-hour brow setter. It's invisible shaping and setting gel for brows. It's a little mini there, 3.5. This is great. Really great product. Benefit just do the most amazing brow products and have done for years. So it's a wand for a clear gel to shape your brows in place. 100% said it controlled brow hairs, apparently. Then we have got Makeup Forever. This is Super Boost Moisturising Plumping Effect Lip Gloss, and I've got it in shade Boundless Berry. I had one of these in another box and I loved it. Really loved it. So yeah, I'm happy to have another one. Look at it, look, isn't that stunning? That is so nice. I like the wand, look at it. It looks like a slipper, doesn't it? Yeah, so it's a tinted lip gloss. Very nice. Then we've got Charlotte Tilbury. And this is Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, Party All Night, Slay All Day. And there's 15 mils here. Again, a product I've tried a few times and I like as well. Nice hydrating setting powder. That's the second time I've said that now. Setting spray. I like these little sizes because they are handy to take away with me. I always spray my face. always. Then we have got Saie, and this is Lady Dew Blush. Liquid Cheek Flush Blush, and it's 7 mils. Yeah. Okay, let's try it there. Oof, that is such a gorgeous colour. That is stunning. I do have some side blushes though, but oh my god, that is beautiful. I'll have to see if I've actually got this colour, because that is gorgeous. It's like a dewy, watery effect. Is that what I just read it? Yeah, dew blush. It is though, isn't it? If you do love a dewy look, then that is just beautiful, and a really, really gorgeous colour as well in Lady. Yeah, I love that. I've got Westman Atelier Lip Shape Lip Liner in Rêve, I think. The colour maybe. Oh, is that a dark one? Hopefully that will go with the blush and the lips. Oh, yeah, it does. It will do. That is quite dark, but if you were to lightly line your lips and then buff it out a little bit, if like me you're thinking, oh, I can't use that, it's too dark, I think that would be all right, and then have that in the middle, I think that'd be quite pretty. At first glance, that's too dark for me, but I'll give it a go. I'll see if I can make it work. Then I have got here Laura Mercier, and this is Caviar Extravagant Mascara, Volumizing and Lifting Mascara, black. What's the wand going to be like? Obviously you just don't know, do you, what a mascara is going to be like. Look at the state of my hand. It's got like flat areas and then rounded. Yeah, I'll give that a go. I love trying new mascaras. And then we got two, I think, yeah, two perfume samples. So we've got here Maison Margiela Replica Afternoon Delight, Paris 1996, warm vanilla, mandolin, memory in a fragrance. Okay, there's not much there. It's supposed to be 1 ml, got half a ml really, but it's a sample. It will have in your sprays. See if you like it. Right, will this transport me back to 1996? It's died down a bit now. Initially it was like, ugh, it's quite nice, but I wouldn't wear it. No, I can smell the vanilla, but I don't like the other smells in it. And Creed 1760. I'm gonna try and spray it on here. It's a nice smell, but it's not for me. It is quite strong, quite herby. No, it doesn't have like notes and things like that. I think I have smelled it before, maybe in a Harrods advent calendar. It's just not for me. It's a nice smell, but it's not one that I would wear. It's a little bit too overpowering. And spicy, herby, possibly peppery. Yeah, not for me. Anyway, there you go. So there's two samples, some eyelashes, eyebrow gel, lip gloss, lip liner, mascara, liquid blush, setting spray, and a face powder. There's 10 products in here, has a value of £165 and can be bought for £42. I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? Did you go for this one, or did you go for the other one? Or are you watching this wondering, shall I, shan't I? I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But yeah, I think it's an alright box. It's not one of my favourite boxes from Cult Beauty. Let me know what you think. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.